Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom.
Funny, so funny. Funny,
Funny.
funny.
Now, what do these buttons do? What does this one do?
Fun.
Mm-hmm. You open the windows.
Cheers.
Yeah. Close the window.
Gosh.
Yeah, close the window.
Gosh.
Yeah. You got the wrong button. It's this one. This button's for closing the window. This one's for opening.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoops. Try again.
Yeah.
If you want to open the window, you have to press and hold it down. Press and hold. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, press and hold. Press. Yeah.
Yeah.
Press and keep on holding it.
Okay.
Yeah, keep on holding it. Oh, it's closed. The other one. This one you have to open. Yeah, you know how to open the windows now. Yeah, but unfortunately your legs are too small. You can't reach the pedals. See, you have to reach down there, but you can't. It's too small for you. Too small. Yeah. Okay, you want us to go home now?
Sit. Cars, we say. Jump up.
Jump off.
Done. One. Done.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Little Schumacher. I think Daddy's got to be worried now. You might be eating up the battery. You want me to start the car for you?
Car.
You want me to start it for you?
Sure.
Nah, I think we'll wait. We'll wait until when you're 2 years old, we'll try. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go have some tea.
Go.
Yeah. Yeah,
Tea.
go have some tea.
Tea.
Tea. Good boy.